You all must have come across the NEET controversy which is going on currently concerning over 25 lakh students who appeared for the exam. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test or NEET is the entrance examination for medical aspirants seeking admission to medical courses. It has always been a prestigious exam, but this year it has been in the news for the wrong reasons. Hello viewers, my name is Syed Amir Hussain and together let's take a dive in this issue. Ever since the exam took place, students have been filing petition claiming a paper leak, praying to the court for a stay on the result and a subsequent re-examination. Now, after the results are out, more irregularities came to light. The total marks for this examination are 720 marks, with each right answer getting the student 4 marks and every wrong answer subtracts 1 mark from your score, which is +4 and -1 pattern. Now assuming you got all questions correct but one, you should be getting 715 marks if it was a wrong answer or 716 marks if you did not attempt one question. 716 would be the highest marks under 720 in this exam. But in this year's result, students have gotten 718 to 719 as well, which is not possible. The National Testing Agency says that this is because they have given grace marks to a few students due to loss of time while conducting the exam. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has posted a petition which came on 17th May to July seeking the cancellation of NEET-UG 2024. On the 1st of June, another petition was filed in the Supreme Court and has now come to the vacation bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Ehsanuddin Amanullah, who posted this petition along with others on July 8th and asked the NTA to file its response in the meantime. This writ petition, filed under Article 32 of the Constitution, sought directions to the National Testing Agency to conduct the exam again, given the allegations of the paper leak, raising doubts about the sanctity of the exam held on May 5th. The petitioner seeks the cancellation to reconduct the exam. On the other hand, many petitions have been filed in different high courts regarding the cancellation of the exam. Both the Calcutta High Court and the Delhi High Court have sought responses from National Testing Agency or NTA over the irregularities in NEET 2024. On June 14th, the NTA requested in the Supreme Court the transfer of petitions from the Delhi High Court to the Supreme Court, which was then tagged along with the petitions for July 8th. Renowned teacher and physics wala CEO Alak Pandey has also moved the Supreme Court on July 9th, challenging the decision of the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, to award grace marks to several candidates who attended the National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test for the undergraduate medical admissions this year. In this regard, it was contended that the high marks of 718, 719 out of 720 secured by several students were statistically impossible. It was alleged that the grant of grace marks by the National Testing Agency, purportedly due to the delay during the exam, was a malified exercise to give backdoor entry to certain students. The petitioners also raised suspicions about the fact that 8 students from one particular center out of 25 lakh students who appeared for the exam got full marks, that is 720 out of 720. In this matter, the center on Thursday, June 13, informed the Supreme Court that a decision has been taken to cancel the grace marks awarded to 1,563 students. These 1,563 candidates will be informed of their actual scores without the grace marks and will be given the option to reappear for a retest. The counsel appearing for the Union government informed the Supreme Court. Advocate representing the Union government told a vacation bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta that the decision was taken by a panel constituted by the National Testing Agency on June 12th to allay the fears of the student. He stated that the panel was of the view that the award of compensatory marks to 1,563 students on the grounds of loss of time resulted in a skewed situation because the grace marks had to be limited only to the unattempted questions. After examining all aspects, the committee concluded that it would be appropriate to recommend the cancellation of the scorecards of the 1,563 students. The court also recorded the submission of Senior Advocate Naresh Kaushik for the NTA that the retest will be notified on the 13th itself and will likely be held on June 23rd. The results of the retest will be published before June 30th so that the counselling scheduled for June 6th can start. The court observed that the recommendations made by the NTA panel are fair, reasonable and justified. Accordingly, the respondent NTA may proceed for holding the retest, the court stated. Now this matter will be taken up by a bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on July 8th, and meanwhile, the grace marks given to students have been cancelled, giving them an opportunity for a retest. Let us know what you think about this alleged paper leak and controversy in the comment section below. We hope you liked this video and found it informative. Do leave a like to motivate us to make more such content on topics that concern you. Thank you for watching.